Dr. Radhika Kopikar and I'm the Chief Dermatologist here at Kopikar Dermatology Skin Hair Laser Clinic in Mumbai. We are based in the heart of Mumbai suburbs and we do get patients from all over Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane. This clinic is walking distance from Eastern Express Highway and Vikhroli station. I belong to a family of doctors. Both my parents and grandparents are all doctors, including 17 other family members who are in different fields of medicine. So while growing up, I have closely observed healthcare. One thing I clearly remember about all these people in my family is their compassion towards their patients, which was their greatest virtue. While making this clinic, I've incorporated every little thing that I've learned throughout and made it extremely hygienic, aesthetically pleasing, and state of the art when it comes to the technology that we use in the clinic. Everything we do here is keeping the patient's interest at the center of our heart. We maintain very high standards for the same reason, and our patients see us as a one stop solution for all their hair, skin, and aesthetic needs. Our approach is result oriented. Right from the time the patient enters the clinic to the time they complete their journey, our effort is to give them a very relaxed environment, educate them about their disease, and give them ethical advice and treatment options. Our whole team has a common focused goal of helping our patients achieve their best skin in the shortest possible time using the safest treatment options with a holistic approach. We treat our patients or clients in a holistic manner and understand the root cause of the problem and then tackle it in a very systematic and a planned way. It's important for me to include my patients in the decision making process and to understand their priorities and their timelines. When you enter the clinic, you'll get a very pleasant feeling, a feeling of calm and positivity, and I'm happy to share that a lot of our patients compliment us in the same manner. We like to keep the ambience of this clinic very welcoming. So when you enter, you will hear a very light music playing in the background. There's fragrance infused into the air, and there is just a feeling of calm that you feel when you enter. Every treatment room in the clinic has been planned keeping the client's comfort in mind. It is a very spacious place with bright white interiors and some natural wood to make sure that the cleanliness is spot on. Every room is also installed with the exhaust fan to keep the air circulation and ventilation proper at all times. Mirrors have been lavishly used to give this place a luxurious feel, and full length mirrors are also strategically placed in every room to give our patients a clear vision of their skin issues. In examination and treatment rooms, we have installed only the scientifically recommended high quality illumination lights to see the patient's skin lesions in excellent light quality with no distortion. Also, the chairs that we use for patients is electronic chairs, which gives them high level of comfort and safety while doing all the procedures. Patients' privacy and confidentiality is of utmost importance to us. So you will see that even though we have CCTV cameras everywhere, they can be switched off on request. The most important part of any skin clinic is the treatments that they offer, and we do not compromise on the technology that we use here. I've been practicing for the last 11 years, and we have set very high standards for every department, be it lasers, skin, or the injectable treatments that we offer here. It's all about giving results to our clients, and these results, which they deserve and they desire, using only the highest level of advanced technology and safety. Patients should feel at ease, and that generally happens when all their questions have been answered and they have been educated enough about their problem along with preventive measures to make sure that they can maintain the results in the future. I personally attend all important national international conferences related to dermatology, trichology, and anti-aging to keep abreast with all the latest information and scientific advancements in my field. Our team of highly experienced and trained technicians, therapists, and nurses are also aligned to our motto of making our clients look and feel their gorgeous best. They take utmost care while doing different procedures, and they are thoroughly trained to follow all the protocols regarding patient care and safety, including all the WHO recommended COVID protocols. The health and well being of our staff is also very important to us. So, we all are completely vaccinated against COVID 19. They also have a small pantry where they can get comfort and relax and unwind after a long day's work. We at Kopika Dermatology are here for you and happy to help you in all your skin or hair related problems, be it acne, fungal infections, hair loss, psoriasis, vitiligo, or anything that you want to have a consultation for. We are there and we will be there for you throughout your journey.